Hi everybody, this is Harry from Solar Juice with another juicy update this week. What I'd like to do is firstly start off with the question of the week. Now Ahmed Rad has wrote into us about our SunGrow inverters that we were promoting. If their DC isolator that's inbuilt, is it compliant to the Australian standard and local regulatory authority? And he would like us to provide proof of that as well. What I'd like to do is actually thank Ahmed for taking the time out to send us that awesome question. And yes, he's the winner of our jacket. We'll be sending that out to him very shortly as well. Now Ahmed, coming back to your question, yes, it is Australian standard compliant and also local regulatory authority compliant as well. Now, what the other inverters that we do have in our portfolio that are to that effect is SMA, Fronius and FEMA. Now what we'll be doing as well is also providing proof of that with our attachments, as you can see in the link provided below. If you click on that link, all the documentation will be downloaded for you. Now, further to this, what I'd like to also promote to everyone is that our marketing team has been inundated with those questions. Please do keep on posting them over to us because we would like more and more so we can promote them on our update. Now moving on, I'd like to talk about our next segment, which is the unveiling of the Core 2. That's right guys, the Core 2 has reached Australian shores and we're more than happy to be one of the first to be unveiling and unboxing this awesome machinery. I'll be there with SMA unboxing this great inverter. Okay, now I'd like to move on to our trading hours. Firstly, our trading hours are from Monday to Friday. For our warehouse, they begin from 7:30 a.m. sharp to 4:30 p.m. And also for our admin and office hours, they start from 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now guys, again, do make sure you come through with your pack slip numbers to the warehouse to ensure efficient releases to happen on the spot. Now what I'd like to do is wrap this all up and hand over to our lovely folk at Formbay.
Hi, it's Jade from Formbay. Last week the industry created 848,000 STCs. That's 143,000 STCs over the STP run rate. Based on our current projections, we expect to reach the target in about a week's time on the 28th of October. The price has come down to $38. We believe it's because we're approaching the next surrender date. That's it from Formbay, back to you.
Hi guys, Doug here from 3 Quotes. Wow, what a difference 1 week can make. We've seen lead volumes almost double over the past 7 days, right up and down the east coast of Australia, even into South Australia as well. It's driven by a number of factors. It could be the end of school holidays, it could be some sunshine, summer on the approach. There's no real reason that we're seeing, except that demand is very high at the moment. Victoria in particular, as I mentioned last week, has a lot of unserviced opportunity there. So if you're a Victorian installer or you're thinking about moving into Victoria, make sure you give Kelly or Craig a call and they can help you understand where the unserviced volumes are. That's all from me this week. Have a great week.